When I say that no matter what it is that feels like a million miles away is available for you here and now, I mean it, because I lived it. My name is Lenka Lutonska, and today I'm known as a best-selling author and a wealth activator for women from all around the world. The wealth of love, money, freedom and purpose is my lived experience and a zone of genius when it comes to help other women to create. I'm blessed to have deeply loving a relationship of 17 years, 3 healthy children, amazing body, very successful multiple 7 figures a year business that makes a huge difference. And with my humble heart, I know that this is a reality that many women only crave. But of course, at one point, this life was a dream for me too. It was a fantasy, so unavailable for me that it made me cry at night, when what I wanted was to serve others, to be of purpose. But the reality was that no matter what I did, clients never poured, they barely trickled. When what I wanted was to experience abundance, but instead my reality was I had to count every £5 note because I was flat broke. And yet I turned these haunting desires into inevitabilities and then into lived experience. And that's why I created Desire Alchemy, a powerful 7-day activation experience where I'll guide women like you to turn your desires into inevitabilities, fulfill them, and be a beacon of light for many. Let's do it.